Hi, today I'm front of me Galaxy A34 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's first open the notification panel, and just to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change their positions, we should click to the three dots on the right upper corner and tap to edit buttons, or just to click to this plus icon. After that, you'll see here this up section with all of the invisible options which you can add to the panel. Just to add them, we should hold the option, the icon, and drag it to this down section. If you want to remove some of these options from the panel by the same way, you should hold it and drag it to the up section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just by the same way hold it and drag. Just if you want to reset the changes, click to reset, or to save them, click to done. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.